Hi, this is Paul, and this is the next in the series of NinjaTrader platform educational videos, tutorials. And this time we're going to talk about stops. I'm going to use the ATM strategy to do that, but it's just a very basic version. I'm in this trade right now. It's a short trade, and I'm looking to, I'm short, but I want to put a stop on here. It's not as easy as you would like on normal platforms. I've already had the trade down here short, breaking this thing here, and you can see here, and I'm going to try and leave this on the chart in a little while, is that I made a profit on that short, but now I'm in another short. And what I've got to do first is one of the things you can set up on your chart traders before you get in any trades. You go to where my cursor is now, hover over, it says chart trader. Click on the chart trader in the middle there, so it puts it on the chart. You see ATM strategy where my cursor is on that right there. So these are the ones where we can just set a profit target and a stop loss target. Again, very, very basic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to custom. This is how you make a new one. So click the down arrow, click on custom. Now, order quantity 2 is the first thing you do. So if you generally trade 2 contracts of the micros, for example, that would be order 2. The parameter type is ticks because trading futures. TIF, good till close. Quantity 2 goes into here. Now stop loss, this is where we want to say, right, this is our average, but we can adjust it when it's on the chart, and that's what we want to do. So I'm just going to put the stop loss at 20 ticks because our parameter is 20 ticks. I'm going to put the profit at 20 ticks. So this is a 20-20. Everything else, don't click more, stop strategy, nothing. Just do the basics. This is just to get a stop and a profit on your chart, and you can adjust it when it's on the chart. Save as template. Now we're going to put 20 ticks P&L, just as a name. You can call it anything you want. You can save that as template. Okay, so that's now saved. What I want to do next is, if we've got an open position, so you go back to your main console here, you go to positions, you can see this position's open right now. What I'm going to do is right click on that position, apply ATM strategy. The one I've just made is 20 ticks. Click on that, and there is your stop and your take profit. Now that's quite tight. I want that above that pivot. So if I just click and drag that up there, click again, it adjusts the stop. Okay, if I want to look left and see that there's some support down here, and maybe I want to trade it down to that sort of level, I can click on the limit order to take my profit just once, drag it to where I want to take profit around about there, and click again. So I can adjust it on the chart, and that's the beauty of this, is once the orders are on, you can change that. So again, it's very, very simple. Use ticks, put it at 30, 40 ticks, so it's way out the way to begin with, and then just click and adjust. Very, very simple. And then when you come to managing this trade, it becomes very, very simple in that click and adjust again. So if I wanted to go risk free, for example, I could click that stop, bring it down just below the entry, click again, and it would take me out of that trade at that point. I don't want to do that right now. I'm 2 contracts in this micro, and I'm looking for it to hit this profit target there. So again, profit targets and stops are very, very easy to set. This is just a 5-minute opening range breakout that we trade a lot, on NinjaTrader and lots of other different platforms. This is what it looks like. If you think actually this thing's going to run and you don't want to take profit until it goes down here, and you actually want to manage your trade with the manager, for example, you can click this, move it down to the top of the previous day's gold range, opening range, and click there, for example. So that's way down. That gives you time, we're 12 ticks in profit right now. That gives you options to not take the profit too early and manage the trade with the stop just in case you get a runner. Okay, there are lots of options, but the thing is that makes it easy is it's just a matter of setting that ATM strategy up just out of range of where your stop would be, and then you can click and adjust. The same with the profit. But once you've made that template, it's very simple to add that when your trade goes in. The previous video we talked about stop limit orders, and I'll put a link in the description of this video, and there's a stop limit order that got me into this short right now. And then following that, the immediate action is to put a stop on, and I would use that ATM strategy that I always put on there. And again, when you look on the right here, when I click down, I've got 20, 25, 30 ticks. You know, they're the ones that I've already preset. So as soon as a trade goes in, I can click one of those using this main panel here for your open positions. You right click and you can apply the ATM strategy there. Very, very simple, very quick. And probably the simplest way to do it. The next video that I'm going to make is to talk about how to set up sort of straddle trades. So you've got a range, and if it goes up above that range you want to buy, if it goes below that range you want to sell, that sort of thing, using this ATM strategy and other solutions. So hopefully that helps. Just a quick educational video for the Ninja Trader brokerage trading platform. Again, I'm still learning. This is new to me, and every time I make a video is something that I've learned, and I'm trying to progress so traders can build up a knowledge of how to put trades on, adjust stops, put stops on, profits and all that sort of thing, and just build up those strategies. And it's about muscle memory as well, so you can just watch this video a few times. Again, while you're trialing this, if you're a new trader, use a simulated account just to get used to putting that trade on, adjusting those stops. You don't want to make mistakes when you're getting used to this using real money. So hopefully that helps. Speak to you really soon.